Hi, I'm Rebecca Brand, and I have the Talosbo Pleco Pro Robotic Pool Cleaner. We are going to give this Pleco Pro a huge workout with a disaster of a mess today, and I'm going to show you how well it cleans the pool. Talosbo has made the Pleco Pro for big pools. It's given it extra power and extra battery to clean a big pool like this. But if your pool is small, you're going to have all that extra power and all those extra features to clean yours fast. For today's test, I have a recipe of disaster. This is a full cup of rocks and sands, and look it even produces its own smoke because those dust particles are microscopic. And adding to the sand and those heavy petals, I've got a whole brew of tea leaves that are going to go in that pool. Time for bombs away! The nuclear explosion of all that dirt, sand, and pebbles. Oh, wow, look at how it blooms out. That is really making a cloudy, dirty mess in that pool, besides with the rocks hitting the bottom of the pool. Check that out again. It hits the top of the water and down it goes. That is one extra dirty mess. And now it's time for the tea leaf mess. On windy days, nature happens and leaves will go all over your pool. There seems to be its own weather system underneath the water of your pool where those leaves will flow with whatever tiny waves are going on in your pool. They seem to have a way of swimming around and surfing to the bottom this way or that way. Look at that total disaster at the bottom of this pool. I'd say that mess is about a 2.5-foot radius. It's in the center of my pool, right on the bottom of the pool. And I want to talk about the advanced dual filtration system before I clean up this mess. The basket just pops out, and it has a 6-liter dual layer filter basket. Now, this is going to separate the large debris, all those rocks that went to the pool, and also fine dust. This is an incredibly important feature for the Pleco Pro by Talosbo. It has a 180 micron filter, and that's for the visible debris, whereas the 35 ppi fine filter is for the microparticles, things you can't even see. Now that's what's going to get the algae and all of this dust that exploded in there, and other particles that can show a cloudy pool water. It will filter those out with that 35 ppi fine filter for crystal clear water in your pool. I'm going to put the filter right back in because it's time for my Talosbo Pleco Pro to clean the pool. Now there's 2 ways to get your Pleco Pro robotic pool cleaner to go. You can press it on right here manually on the screen of it, or you can use your app on your phone. So right now, with that big disaster, I'm just gonna do the floor clean because I'm excited to see it clean that big mess I made on the floor of the pool. So to turn it on, you press the power button for 3 seconds, and then once it's on, you can switch through 4 different power modes right on the machine. Now I'm gonna go through that, and I'm gonna pick out floor. To cycle through the different modes, you just keep pressing it. There are 4 different selections you can make manually. Now I'm going to press it until it goes to the floor. And there it is. It's selected to floor right now. So check this out on the app. By pressing on the app, you can do Waterline, you can do Turbo, and you can do walls and floor. A few more features from the app. But back to the floor. That's what we want to do for this demonstration. Now it's time for a cleaning party with my Talosbo Pleco Pro. The Pleco Pro only weighs about 21 pounds, 9.65 kilograms. Lightweight and powerful. Time to clean! When you put it in, it's going to find where it's supposed to clean. And in this case, that's the floor. That's what I had set it for. Watch as this Talosbo Pleco Pro goes after the dirt. It's set to clean the bottom of the floor. And when it gets to the big mess, those heavy rocks, all that sand, and the leaves, in one path, it thoroughly cleaned the bottom of the floor. Here's another angle of it doing that. I put a bunch of cameras down there so you could see this with your very own eyes because I was amazed. This was the biggest recipe of disaster I could possibly think to test out the Talosbo Pleco Pro. Its strong motor power propels it against the force of all that water. It is suctioning up the mess on the bottom of the floor, and at the same time, the scrubbers on the front of the cleaner is scrubbing the bottom of the floor of the pool. As it's sucking the water and the pool bottom, it's also filtering all the water it's taking in. Huge amounts of gallons per minute are going in your Talosbo Pleco Pro. 4,000 gallons an hour are going through your Pleco Pro, and it's going through that double filter, that fine filter I showed you. So that's going to not only get the dirt, the pebbles, the leaves, but also things like algae, mold, and other impurities floating in your water that the environment may have cast into your pool water. Just the passing of 4,000 gallons of water per hour, no matter if there's dirt involved or not. It could just be a filmy looking, it could just be cloudy water that it's cleaning. But that's its job to do. The sponge layer of the 2-layer filtration system eliminates the cloudiness. The Pleco Pro is made for a big pool, and this is a very large pool. It will clean pools up to 2,150 square feet, so it's ideal for large pools. It works at fast speed. You've been seeing it in real-time speed, and it cleaned up all that mess automatically. The Pleco Pro uses smart path planning to deliver that targeted cleaning. Here's an overhead shot. This has been sped up so you can see the kind of pattern it'll do. It's efficient in the way it cleans. The battery will last 210 minutes. So after it did the bottom of the pool, I wanted to do the sides and the tile. You can set it for that just by touching the top of the machine or on the app. So now it's going to do the walls and the tile. The Pleco Pro goes all the way up to 9.8 feet in depth, which is standard. Most swimming pools are about a 9-foot depth, so it adds even further depth. Of course, it's completely waterproof with an IPX8 rating. Of course, it does all its work underwater. When it comes up to the top to the waterline, it's going to scrub. The front of the Pleco Pro has high-quality rubber scrubbers. These are not going to wear out. They're durable, and they're meant and designed to scrub the tile and waterline so you don't get those evaporative lines as your pool loses the water with the evaporation of your pool water. I need one of these for my bathtub. My bathtub always gets rings. Well, so do pools. The Pleco Pro is going to scrub any existing and not let any more be created with regular use. The Pleco Pro is good for any type of pool material. Now, this is an in-ground concrete pool, of course. It also can work on vinyl, fiberglass, as well as mosaic tile for other types of pools, even above ground pools, a doughboy. And look at the size of this pool. It's amazing to have that 210-minute runtime and all that power that cleaned this very dirty pool with the mess I made. There was no need for me to recharge it halfway. It did the whole entire pool. I could have picked any of the 7 cleaning options. They even have turbo mode for a quicker clean, and also eco mode. And don't worry about it running into a drain or even a pool light. There's no more stalls. It easily will glide over obstacles with ease. You don't have to get it unstuck around drains or lights. And when it's all done cleaning your pool, the Pleco Pro will go right to the side of the pool and go up, finished with its task of cleaning. When it's done cleaning, it'll come to the edge of the pool, so you pull it out with a hook and you turn it off. And the hook is designed to fit on any end of a pool rod, like for your skimmer. To detach it, you press the buttons, and the same goes to attach it. You just squeeze in the white knobs on each side, and it goes in. Ta-da! Well, and the proof is always in the pudding. I just want to check out that filter right now and take a look, see what it got. I'm twirling it around. You can see everything sticking to the sides, and now I'm going to open it up, and you can see all those leaves in there and the pebbles. Great job cleaning. It got it all. To clean it, you just click open the center of the machine, you pop it open, out comes the filter. There it is, so dirty. And then I take a hose from the garden, and I'm just going to wash all that stuff out onto my lawn, spraying it down well. That's as simple as it is to clean up that filter for next time. You wouldn't even have to do this after one clean. You could have let it go a number of times and done it maybe once a week, but this is how you will clean your filter. And after you clean your filter, I hose down the machine too. That's all waterproof, of course. Back in goes the filter, clicks in, now it's ready for next time. And look at how clean the Talosbo Pleco Pro cleaned the pool. Isn't it amazing? It's absolutely gorgeous. When you order your Talosbo Pleco Pro, it comes right to your door. There's mine. I put it on my counter and I'm opening the box. I wanted to show you how it comes packaged. Talosbo has taken great care to make sure that everything is wrapped well and that nothing's going to get damaged during shipping. It comes layer by layer. There's styrofoam around everything. So even with the jostling of shipping, they have taken great care so that nothing gets damaged. Here I've laid out the user manual and the information in writing that you get. And on the right side of that is a power cord and the hook to retrieve it from your pool. For the app, they give you this card. This is just great. It has the QR codes on the bottom. That's what you're going to use to download the app. On the back is a thank you letter, as well as how to get a hold of the customer service many different ways, in case you need that. Here is the user manual. I'm going to thumb through it so you can see it's very well written, and the illustrations are great. They're very simple, clear, and they have all the directions on how to get started and how to use your Talosbo Pleco Pro. It was a great and simple manual. And here is their quick start guide. This was great because I knew every single step simply to use it for the first time. Here's a close-up of the hook and the buttons of how it attaches to your pool pole, perhaps your skimmer. And here's the electrical cord. It's 2 prongs, and the other side will plug into your Pleco Pro for charging. Here's the machine on my counter, and on the front is a display of all the buttons. The power's in the center. On top of the machine, there are 4 manual modes. And on the right side of it, this is where you're going to plug in your charger, right on top. You pull that up, and inside is a plastic stopper that makes it waterproof when it's in the pool. You plug in your charger, and then that's going to plug into any normal USA household outlet, 120 volts. On the back of the machine, this is a button you press, and the filter is already installed. I'm going to take it out and show you how it looks brand new, delivered to you. I'm flipping it around, and I'm showing you underneath where the flap goes in. That's where the suction's going to bring all the dirt in and trap it inside that filter. The top snaps open, and we can see the interior. Fits right back in, and the top snaps down. Here is the scrubber. This is what's going to scrub your water line and your walls and the floor. And look at the treads on the wheels. They're like a caterpillar tire. Here's a side of those caterpillar wheels that propels it through your floor. High traction between the suctioning power and the treads on those wheels. It's going to get up your walls and scrub them too. A well-designed machine from every angle. Here I am showing you all the different angles. Really beautiful. Now let's take a look underneath. We can see the treads of those wheels, and you can see the blue vent right underneath it. And that's where the water is sucked in through the filter to capture the debris. There's another QR code on the bottom. And underneath, I'm showing you how the front scrubber is designed. And that's what goes around and around to scrub sides of your walls and all surfaces of your pool and the water line. I'm touching it to show you the quality of the rubber. Very durable, made to last and made to scrub. And the bottom of it has as well other scrubbers, and this design helps to hold the suction while it's ascending the walls of your pool. Here is everything you get right on the counter. Once it's charged, you're going to download the app. I scan the code, and you download the app like any other app. It was super easy to do. All of the menus were simple. I picked out my device, the Pleco Pro. It paired it quickly. There was no problems with the pairing. Success! And very quickly, it came up with all the features and gave me information. And there are the 7 different modes that you can choose from your app. Standard, bottom, wall mode, waterline mode, eco mode, turbo mode, and wall then floor mode. All right there. Tells you the battery power. Mine was at 77% at this time. It tells you need to set the mode before it enters the water. There's a general settings page like any app. Simple, easy, well-designed app. And going from a complete disaster, a recipe of disaster, of throwing all that mess into the pool, my Talosbo Pleco Pro went to work, cleaned that up, and look again at my beautiful, gorgeous, crystal clear pool. So inviting to jump in and swim, or really just to look at. Makes such a beautiful view to have a clean pool. The pool is crystal clean. The pool is so inviting. I think I'm going to dive in from here. No, I'm just going to enjoy it till my friends come to play with me. There's nothing like a crystal clean pool to look at and to play in. Click the link below to get your Talosbo robotic pool cleaner. This is an incredible model. And enjoy your leisure time. I'm Rebecca Rand. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you subscribe to my channel and ring the bell to get notified of my next video. And let's keep making great recipes in life. And today's recipe is one for leisure and entertainment in your own backyard with Talosbo Pleco Pro. Now it's time to call the kids. Kids, let's have a pool party and let the fun begin. Woo! Touchdown. If you like this video, here's more videos over there to choose from, including some summer recipes for your family.